Imagine a world where technology and intelligence are integrated into every aspect of human life. Reshaping the way we live and interact. As IoT, edge computing, and edge AI converge to integrate data, hardware, software, and AI models, Advantech stands at the forefront of this evolution, recognizing that an intelligent planet begins at the edge. Edge computing and AI are redefining how we leverage data by enabling real-time intelligence for smarter decision-making. This transformation is not just about technology. It's reshaping how we solve problems and innovate. As the foundation of IoT, edge computing reduces latency, boosts energy efficiency, and ensures stability. By fostering an agile AI ecosystem with advanced management platforms and tailored solutions, edge computing unlocks the full potential of intelligent systems. Edge intelligent systems enhance visual analysis for recognition, detection, and identification operations, maximizing efficiency. In smart factories, AI-powered robotic arms and inspection systems enable seamless automation and real-time data visualization, while ensuring production meets Industry 5.0 standards. Real-time monitoring enables data-driven optimization of energy usage and carbon emissions for sustainable decarbonization. Virtual assistants offer real-time guidance and tailored recommendations for personalized shopping experiences. AI-assisted systems enhance surgeries with precision navigation and advanced imaging, increasing patient safety and success rates. All of this drives smarter cities, more efficient automation, and more sustainable energy, enabling industries to create greater value with fewer resources. Edge computing and AI have the power to transform major industries, including manufacturing, energy, services, and healthcare. By building comprehensive ecosystems and delivering agile services globally, Advantech is driving future edge AI innovations. At Advantech, every second matters. Every decision, every connection, and data point collectively shapes the future of technology. With the ongoing development of edge computing and AI, Advantech continues to unlock greater possibilities that enable a more intelligent planet. As pioneers of industrial intelligence and edge computing, Advantech is helping to build a smarter future today.